But I have this machine here and figured while I was doing it, because it's a common mistake a lot of people make. When you're changing the fuel filter on a diesel motor, it's not like when you're changing an oil filter where you can just unscrew it, or a gas motor, where you're just going to unscrew it and screw it back in. Diesels get a little bit more funny, and if you're not careful, you can really cause yourself a lot of headache. So, I already did the fuel change, but I wanted to show you. Now, this is a Toro Sidewinder diesel motor, but this is a good rule of thumb for pretty much any diesel motor. Now, fuel filter on this unit is right here, and the fuel pump's down here. But just a good rule of thumb, when you're changing the fuel filter on this, when you unscrew this, this will be filled with gas. And if you put the new one on, well, that's the old one over there, but this is the newer one. When you put the new one on and you don't put gas in it, you're not going to be able to start that machine. And you'll run into some other problems, and there's some other tips and tricks that you can do. But what you want to do, if you do put this on without putting gas in it, try not to be turning it over too much. Unscrew this thing right away, fill it up with gas, and screw it back up on there. And hopefully she starts for you. If not, you're going to have to push fuel in through other areas of the machine to get all that air out and get fuel flowing again. So just wanted to make a quick note of that. When you're changing the fuel filter on a diesel, make sure you fill it back up with diesel before you put it back on the machine. That's my quick tip of the day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and give me a like. I'm really trying to get the subscribers up. This channel is kind of new the last 6 months, but I've been doing this for a few years now. So I'm trying to get my subscribers up and maybe start monetizing the videos and such, and of course just keep helping people out. So hit the subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you guys in a few weeks.